today is Wednesday, October 19th. It is my birthday, you guys, and we have a busy day today. It's Wednesday, and I'm not working. My boss gave me the day off. Thank you, boss. You are the best. And we have a busy day. I have a nail appointment at 10, and then at 12, I have a hair appointment. And yeah, you guys, we're going to dinner later with the family. And on Friday, I actually got a party bus. I'm going to a concert. We're going to go see Fuerza Regida. Vamos a ir a ver Fuerza Regida con los primos. Y agarré un party bus para nosotros. Y va a estar chido, así que la celebración va a ser el viernes. Pero hoy vamos a ir a cenar en la tarde con la familia. Y pues nada, oigan, vamos a levantarnos porque tenemos un día algo ocupaditos. And as far as my hair, I am going to dye it black, like completely black, because if you guys remember, my hair used to be freaking orange blonde towards the end, and then I had to dye it before my brother's wedding, but the color is already wearing off, and in the sun, like the orange tones that want to pop back out. So yes, we're gonna go dye it all black again and just get a little blowout. Y pues sí, me van a acompañar, así que vámonos. To dinner, you guys. We came to the Sugar Factory here in downtown. Y ahorita los veo. I'm gonna go take a picture over there, of course. This is a waiting area. We're just waiting for everyone to get here. Oh, my cousins are. There's a bunch of us, you guys. Yes, girl. Thank you. Tequila. Look at my drink, you guys. Mezcal and tequila. So appetizer moment. So we got the primazos, some of them. We got Nathan, Natalie, Robert, cookies, Noe, y ya saben, Coral. And my drink, y'all. Man, esto. It tastes so good. My cousin got a Nutella banana shake. Wow. A ver, voltealo. So I got the, what did I get? The brick chicken and mashed potatoes. Would you get the steak melt, a burger? Sheesh. The ducky, oh, cute. Y así que, oigan, me super llené, ya no me puedo terminar mi plato. Me comí un pollo entero porque venían dos. Y que me lo voy a llevar para el lonche mañana al trabajo. Ya casi terminamos. Ya terminaron. What's up, you guys? It is Friday, October 21st, and I just got ready because we're going to see Fuerza Regida, you guys. My cousins and I got tickets a couple weeks ago, and not only that, but you guys saw that my birthday was on Wednesday. Well, I decided to get a little party bus for my cousins and I for tonight. So the party bus is going to get here in like 45 minutes. It's going to give us a little cruise around the city and then drop us off at the concert. And then it's going to pick us up, girl. So it's going to be a pretty lit night. And I'm taking you guys along with me, of course. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to get ready. I just finished doing my makeup and I'm going to get dressed now and get ready to go. Oh, let me show you my shoes, you guys. I got some shoes. Oh my gosh. So yesterday I hit up this shoe plug that I met on Instagram. Shout out to you, Emmanuel. He came through, you guys. I'm gonna leave his Instagram handle right here, so in case you guys want to get some shoes, that you guys hit him up. So anyway, I asked him for these shoes and he was like, I'm gonna try my best to get them for you. Guys, he had them ready this morning and I picked them up as soon as I got off work. And let me show you guys. It's for my fit tonight. They're so freaking cute. There's some dunks. Let me show you. My little outfit laid out right here, but these are my shoes. You guys, look how freaking clean they are. I am obsessed. Again, thank you, Emmanuel, for coming through. Okay, let's get ready. We got some alcohol for the party bus, and my primas was right here. We're ready. A little pregame. Shot o'clock, shot o'clock. The party bus is here, y'all. Sheesh, she has the jams on. Sheesh. Cheers to a good night. Salud, salud. We are heading towards the venue, guys. Oh my gosh, look, when I used to work for the radio station, that's exactly how we used to post up. That used to be, well, that is La Raza, and we used to be La Grande, and we used to post up right there. And then we used to have a big ass truck with the La Grande logo on it, like wrapped, and we used to park right there. Where are you guys? We're about to get some drinks. Y ahorita los veo cuando estemos allá.
Todo empezó año 2010 cuando nos
Es necesario. Guys, the party bus was too big to fit.